Держать! У тебя выбора нету!
Второе показал, быстро! Спрашиваю еще раз, есть кто-то? Выходи!
А где она так идет?
Самое, это ранее уже 4 дня, опять. Зачем ты это?
In a dramatic escalation along the contested front line, Ukrainian troops have carried out a daring combat raid deep into Russian positions, stunning observers with both its precision and audacity. Under the cover of darkness, assault units advanced through treacherous terrain, navigating minefields and surveillance zones that had long been considered impenetrable. The operation signaled a bold shift from static defense to calculated, high-risk maneuver warfare. According to frontline reports, the raid was meticulously planned over several days, with intelligence teams mapping enemy movements and identifying weak points in Russian defenses. Drones hovered silently overhead, relaying real-time imagery to commanders coordinating the strike. Every step was timed to exploit moments of reduced visibility and disrupted communications on the opposing side.
Им надо занять сейчас, получается, по маленькой посадке туда на 9 часов и смотреть на 12 и на 2 часа. Пулеметчика контролирует 2 сектора, чтобы вторая пятерка прошла в сторону пулемета.
As the first Ukrainian elements crossed into enemy-held territory, silence was paramount. Troops moved in small, disciplined formations, avoiding detection while closing the distance to their objectives. The tension was palpable, as a single mistake could have triggered alarms and brought overwhelming firepower down on the raiding force.
Пошел, пошел, пошел! Пошел!
Правіше тут, а от ці дві сигнатури, по ним і треба відпрацювати.
Once inside the Russian defensive belt, Ukrainian soldiers struck swiftly. Key observation posts and supply nodes were targeted in rapid succession, creating confusion among Russian units struggling to understand the scale and direction of the attack. Explosions and tracer fire briefly lit up the night, turning the quiet front line into a chaotic battlefield. Ukrainian commanders emphasized speed and shock, aiming to disrupt rather than hold ground. The raid was designed to cripple logistics, damage morale, and gather valuable intelligence before withdrawing. In several locations, Russian troops were reportedly caught off guard, scrambling to mount a response amid severed communication lines. Body cam and drone footage later released showed Ukrainian troops moving with confidence through trenches and fortified positions. Short, intense engagements unfolded at close range, where training and coordination proved decisive. Within minutes, objectives were secured and the raiders prepared to disengage before enemy reinforcements could arrive.
Он ствол выбросил, стой! Руки покажи!
Не будем убивать, давай! Давай, выходи!
Ну, все, не стреляй!
Зайду, закину
Не
гранату!
стреляй!
У тебя выбора нету!
Второе показал, быстро! Спрашиваю еще раз, есть кто-то? Выходи!
Russian artillery began responding heavily, saturating suspected withdrawal routes in an attempt to cut off the Ukrainian force. Shells thundered across the landscape, but the raiding units had already begun their planned exfiltration, shifting positions and using smoke and terrain to mask their movement. The operation demanded nerves of steel as soldiers raced against time.
Гез на підльоті також. Чуємо Геза. Як прийняв?
Analysts note that such deep raids serve multiple strategic purposes. Beyond physical damage, they force Russian commanders to divert troops and resources to rear area security, weakening pressure elsewhere along the front. Each successful incursion also demonstrates Ukraine's growing ability to operate with initiative and precision. Ukrainian officials described the raid as a success, highlighting minimal losses and significant disruption inflicted on enemy positions. Intelligence recovered during the operation is expected to inform future actions, potentially shaping upcoming offensives or defensive adjustments. The message was clear: no area behind the front is truly safe. On the Russian side, the raid reportedly triggered heightened alert levels across multiple sectors. Additional checkpoints were established, and units were ordered to reinforce positions previously considered secure. Such measures, while defensive, risk stretching manpower and complicating command structures under sustained pressure.
Смотри, тройка может занять ту кишку верхнюю.
Это все просмотрят внимательно. Там минирование, видишь, взрывалось.
For Ukrainian soldiers involved, the mission was both physically exhausting and psychologically intense. Moving deep into hostile territory demanded absolute trust in teammates and leadership. Many described the operation as a stark reminder that modern warfare is increasingly defined by speed, intelligence, and adaptability. Military experts say the raid reflects a broader evolution in Ukraine's battlefield approach. Rather than relying solely on large-scale engagements, commanders are increasingly favoring targeted strikes that maximize impact while minimizing exposure. These operations keep the initiative firmly in Ukrainian hands. Civilians far from the front line may never see the full scope of such missions, but their effects ripple outward. Each successful raid undermines the sense of control within Russian-held areas and boosts confidence among Ukrainian forces and supporters. Symbolically, it reinforces the narrative of resilience and resistance. With tensions remaining high and the front line constantly shifting, this deep combat raid stands as a powerful example of Ukraine's determination and capability. It underscores a conflict where innovation and courage can redefine the balance, and where even heavily fortified positions can be challenged by those willing to strike boldly and decisively.
Вот этот стык леса, вот этого и вот этого на штанах, пусть туда танк отрабатывает.